Need expert automatic garage door opener, Old Lyme installation or repair? Ace Overhead Doors is based at 5 Rossie Street, Mystic, Connecticut, serving Old Lyme and nearby areas. Whether you're upgrading to a modern automatic opener or fixing a malfunctioning one, Ace's certified technicians handle opener installation, repair, and maintenance with top-quality parts for both residential and commercial garage doors. Some homeowners ask, how do I reset my garage door safety sensor? Ace knows the answer. It takes proper alignment, wiring check, and sometimes sensor repositioning or replacement. Their technicians make sure everything meets safety standards and works reliably. And a common follow-up: what are the 3 main types of automatic garage door openers? Generally, chain drive, belt drive, and wall-mounted jackshaft or screw drive openers, each with its own balance of power, noise, and suitability depending on your door type and budget. For dependable service, honest advice, and an opener that'll run smoothly for years, call Ace Overhead Doors at 860-705-3562 or visit 5 Rossie Street, Mystic, Connecticut. Ace Overhead Doors, your doorway to dependable service.